In this video, I'm going to show you 3 lead generation tools for any industry. Find their links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1. Phone, email, and contact scraper. This bot can extract business contacts from multiple websites. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the phone, email, and contact scrapers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more websites. Tick emails and phones. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted business phones and emails to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported corporate phones and emails from our target websites. Tool 2. Company Email Finder. This bot will find all corporate emails ending with the same domain. Paste one or more domains. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported corporate emails ending with our target domain. Tool 3. LinkedIn Email Miner. This bot exports people's publicly visible emails from LinkedIn. Paste your target profession, location, and an email mask. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported people's publicly visible emails from LinkedIn. Sign up on Botster and use these smart tools for lead generation. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.